Hello everyone. So I've just walked into Dollar Tree and they do have all the Christmas items on clearance at 50% off. If you're looking to make pillows next year, these work really well. They're placemats, but they're dual layered, so easy to stuff. And I've shared how to do that on the channel before. I don't even think I saw these over the weeks. Or maybe we did. They have a little nutcracker candles. I guess they didn't sell well. So now they're on clearance. And these too. I might grab these. And these are beautiful as well. Even if you put them together as part of a gift, just really nice. They have silver, gold, and white. And they have so many gift boxes still left, which are good for clothing. I'm going to grab a couple of these packages. They're really nice cookie boxes, but there's a specific print I would like from here. The stockings are on clearance. Cards. I know many of you were searching for cards and couldn't even find them throughout the season. So the store here has so many left on sale. These are lovely boxes for just regular birthday gifts as well. And just to let you know, these are variety packs, so they have a different assortment of cards. This is actually a pretty good value at half price because there's 3 colors. Great for shaker pockets or shaker embellishments. These are cute too. They almost have like a faux stitch on them. Nice glittery ribbon. They have all of this decorative mesh, which is perfect for making wreaths. I'm not sure that this is a very good value. There are so many box cards here. And the thing is, these are really great for Christmas in July as well. So if you want to just have a little fun and send out a cute, card in the mail, you can do the Christmas in July theme. And on the upper shelves, they also have these cards. Really pretty. And lots of the snow globes. If you want to stage the little snow globes, you can use these mini trees, put them inside. This is ornament filler, which you can also add in the snow globe, but I use them for shaker embellishments. These are cute. You can add them on the top of the snow globe. I actually like having the fabric bags for wine bottles, especially traveling in the car. It just prevents it from, I feel better having them in the fabric, and they have simple ones. The candy canes are still available, and lots of boxes. Lots of gift bags. Ornament baubles, they have a ton of them as well. If you're making a wreath, these come in handy. And then they have lots of ornaments still. These little trees are cute. Some items to decorate for New Year's. So they have the banner, and there's 3 banners in here, which is, I think, really cool. And then the New Year's headband. Look at all the new stickers. I haven't seen these anywhere else. Now, it's not really my style of sticker, but for those who really enjoy this, what is this called? There's a name for this type of sticker, right? Some positive sentiments here. What do you like storing in these containers? There's a variety of colors, which is nice. Lots of glue. The pegboard system is kicking around still. Lots of sticker packs. So these you can separate because there's sheets in them and you can use them as party favors. Kids tend to like little stickers, or if you can do a activity with them. The staples here, I'm not really seeing much. Only the room spray was kind of new the last couple of weeks. Has anyone tried it? They have these beautiful soaps, by the way, which run about $10 to $15 online. And they smell nice. I think they smell nice. And this is a really nice line of cocoa butter. I think it's called Palmer's. And but the thing is, the bottle's really tiny. Has anyone tried these soaps? There's 2 in a pack. And they smell pretty nice. I actually really like the Jell-O lemon pie filling. I make little mini tarts or even a lemon meringue pie. Do you like lemon meringue pie? They have lots of treats here as well. And Dollar Tree has S cookies. Don't forget that. They have the chocolate and the plain. And I love the plain ones. I haven't tried the chocolate. If you have, maybe let me know if they're just as good as the original. These boxes are available at most of the Dollar Trees I've been to. So they're just a flat bottom shell. Now they are hard. Question for you. Do you like hard shell or soft shell for your tacos? Have you been organizing, decluttering, purging for the new year or the lead up into the new year? Typically, Dollar Tree carries some new stuff now this time of year, so if you need anything, it's a good time to find them. Lots of aluminum here as well for baking. I should say for baking and cooking. I always like checking out the little toys in my Bear Bear. He's super gentle with his toys. He doesn't rip them apart. I know some of you have said that your doggos will just rip through them. Cute scarves for the little ones. These are cat toys. But yeah, how do some of the toys from Dollar Tree hold up for you? Are your dogs gentle? Some of them have flashlights, which is awesome. I feel like they carry almost more products for cats than they do for dogs. Maybe it's just me, but like they have so much more variety for kitties. I still keep looking for gel glue, and oh my gosh, it's been years, probably 4 years now that I haven't been able to find it. It's so weird to me. Is this a new product at Dollar Tree? I've never seen this before. No, it's not something I typically look at, but it's a removable picture frame system. And I know that that's pretty pricey if you buy it probably by Command, which they have also Command brand here, but I'm wondering if that would have held up. I frequently change the leg pads, the bottom of my chairs with these, and they work really well. I've never had a problem. There's Command here. These are metal. So I was just at a different Dollar Tree, and I feel like they had way more selection of makeup, things I hadn't seen before. But this one's not so bad either. They do have the things I typically see, I think. The other one had just so much more different packaging. This is Ione. If anyone has any feedback on any of the Ione products, let us know. It just helps quite a bit because then we can try things if somebody else has had a good experience. It just helps so much. This looks like new stuff to me. See, this is an eyeliner glue. And they have the Ioni eyelashes. I know these you guys have said work really well, those who have tried them. Has anyone tried these for a pedicure? They're soft, they're rubbery feel, like a texture. Lots of different craft items here. So these come in a little glass jar so you can reuse them. This is really high. I'm going to just bring it down. So there's a variety of glass beads. Yeah, just seed beads in here. And they're all in tubes. And then they have these glass dropper bottles are actually really nice. What have you used them for? I love these picks. I use them all the time in my craft room. Anytime I need like little details or to pick something, poke a little pun, like, you know, if you do a die cut and it's not cooperating, I just use that and it pushes it through. I like these. If you're just starting out with paper crafts, these are great little kits because there's a variety of paper in them. These kits are great too, so you can use the stamps, you know, the clear acrylic stamps on them. You can use sentiments and just personalize them. Oh my God. These are really pretty. I haven't seen them in the hair accessories. These look like they're kind of new. I wouldn't say the value is great though. There's only 4 pieces in a pack. These are so similar to the things you would find at Michael's and pay, you know, $8.99 for. So I always find stuff like that is a great value. These pieces are too thick to cut with a Cricut maker, right? They have a little decor for mushrooms. So if you're doing something for spring, like minis, you know what I mean? Miniatures, miniature fairyland or something like that, garden. You can paint those and then cover them with with an acrylic or a sealant, a Mod Podge, a waterproof Mod Podge too. I have one that's dishwasher and water safe. Have these water brushes, has anyone tried them and do they work well? These are shipping labels and they're stickers, but you can also use them to make your own DIY stickers. Cute sticky notes. I actually like the print. I've been eyeing this note organizer for probably a year now, and I look at it and I'm like, I really like it. I just wish I had a little bit more blank space. These are new. Oh, these are cute. I love that it doesn't have lines. See, totally up. This is exactly what I like. Just the little plain boxes. And they're different covers. Yep, I love this. Although I don't need a planner necessarily, but these are really well done. See, this one has too many lines for me. I like the plain one better. Do these actually work well as a mouse pad? Because that's what they're supposed to be. Does the mouse register nicely on top of it? I feel like there's some new product here, especially gel pens. Like this here I've never seen before. They're solid on the outside, the color. Usually they're see-through, right? This pen works really nice. My daughter has it and I tried it and it was smooth. These are pretty and they're fine tip. I'm over here looking at Valentine's Day things and these stood out to me. I just love the look and I need one for my craft room. Sometimes when you're just moving glitter or something, dusting it away. You just want a pretty brush. Oh, goodness. So I don't know, should I get gold or the pink? Pink handle or gold? These are also new. This is what caught my attention, was all the nail polish. So I thought I'd share with you all the beautiful nail polishes that they have here. So I just want to leave with you a pocket letter that I've created, and I just thought I'd share with you some of the embellishments, stickers that I've purchased at Dollar Tree over the years and just added to this pocket letter. Also, this does have a shaker pocket, which I refer to quite often when looking at things. So you'll see some of the little beads and such in here, and they do make a nice sound. Anyways, I hope this inspires you to create something in your craft room. The ribbon is also from Dollar Tree. And thank you so much for allowing me to share with you a Dollar Tree walkthrough. Until next time, everyone, bye for now.
And you ever wonder if days like these last with one another, with the feeling pass? Would you find out with me if it all starts to crumble? We'll search the pieces for a hope or a mumble. It's not for me to decide if I should be the one by your side, and hope we know when it's better to say goodbye.